Hello, welcome to Bombshell Bytes. I'm Dominiqué Williams-Blair, and we're going to get into downward and upward dog. Two different yoga poses, and they're one of the most staple, basic ones. So I want to, intro you guys to this. Let's get to it. So again, all you need is a yoga mat or a towel if you don't have it. It's not that essential. You're going to put your feet about hip width distance, your arms as well. So you reach out, and if you're not sure about how far you can go, you can crawl your way slowly into downward dog. You're gonna plant, you see your feet, you can be on your toes or a little bit deeper in, and you're pushing your back in. That's pretty much it to it. It's a great stretch and toning exercise. And for upward dog, you're gonna take your downward, bring it forward. So you're almost leaning, not completely over. You don't wanna bust your chin. So right about here, that happy medium, 90 degrees. You bring yourself down slowly. And this requires some strength with your arms. And you're gonna push up gently. Remember not to put too much weight into your lower back. And if you check out my feet, they're planted like the top of the foot down to help push it up. And then you gently shift right here. Your toes. There. For your upward dog, you're kind of getting your head in between your shoulders. Might not look like you're doing much, but your shoulders will get a great workout. And again, you're resting here just a little bit. Slowly bringing it up. And it feels really good. Like I like doing this circuit. And you see, I'm rounding my foot. That's hard for you to do. To help stretch your feet out a little bit. So like we work on our feet a lot, and all of us are not taking the time to stretch them out. So you're getting the reverse of what you're usually doing. So it's helping with your arch too. So I'm gonna get into it one more time for you. So you kind of get in the plank pose first. You push back. And where you're pushing, so you're taking your arms, pushing that way with your hips. Again, bring it forward. Raise up. And your face should be forward. For all intents and purposes, I'm talking to you guys right now, but you don't want to strain your neck. You do a little bit from side to side. And this is the full upward. Bring it back. And that, my friends, is the upward and downward dog. Let me know how this worked out for you and if there are any other yoga poses that you need help getting into.